welcome to Cooking with Colleen. My name is Cheyenne, Chef Cheyenne, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make my world famous peanut butter and jelly. So, for our ingredients, we will need bread. I prefer white, but any old bread will do. Next, we need our peanut butter. Next is going to be the jelly, of course. So we also have garlic powder and cayenne pepper, mustard and tapatio, trail mix, and last but not least, lighter fluid. So, next, we're going to get our bread and put them on our tray like so. You must make sure both slices are next to each other, but you must also make sure that they are not touching. This is vital and serious. They must not touch. Anyways, for our next step, we will get our jelly. But first, we must cut our bread slices into 10 little squares. So when I was a kid, I was moving around a lot because my father was a travel man, and I always had my mom there, and she always made me these peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and it always made me felt like I was at home, you know? But when she would make these peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, it always reminded me that everything was gonna be okay. It felt like it was such a good memory to have in my life because I always felt like I had peanut butter and jelly to depend on. And it also represented a lot of joy in my life. So, next, we need to... Okay. Yeah? Okay. Got it.
What are you doing? No! No!
Okay, for our next step, the jelly. So we're just gonna get our jelly and slather a good amount on there, just like that. Also, we will get our peanut butter next and do the same step. Now, I don't know about you, but I love me some peanut butter, so I like to get a good amount on there. You don't have to, but I recommend it. Doesn't that look wonderful? Great. So for our next step, lighter fluid.
Oh no, she's back. Security, come in here. The cyclone's back. Oh my God, get her.
You never get me, you son of a bitch.